Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So guys, like you guys are saying these, okay? These are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, this actually started a downtrend right from the resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course, you can see it sold till this region, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity. We expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course, just the way we are saying this has been on downtrend for a very long time. Broke out from this support zone to sell more, okay, and it is still selling at the moment. If it should break out below the next support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend, okay. So this is still selling at the moment, okay. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. This actually came on downtrend till it got to this region. However, there are major pullbacks in between. Okay, so after getting to the support zone, it was unable to break out below it, so it went back on uptrend. It bought for a while, but was unable to go above this, so it started selling all over again. So we expect it to sell to this region. If it breaks out below this, then it will sell more and may likely try out this support zone again. This is still selling also at the moment, except if it's unable to break out below the next support zone, that is when it will go back on buy trend. Let's check out PayNext 999. Okay, guys, this is PayNext 999. I started a downtrend right from here. You can see it selling and selling and selling. It played around there for a while, and of course, after that, it tried to go back on uptrend, but wasn't able to go further than this, and it went back into a downtrend, and of course, it is still selling at the moment. Okay, if it breaks out below the next support zone, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. We should take note of that. Okay, this is still selling at the moment, also. Okay. So guys, the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. It had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support zone, wasn't able to break out below it. So it's trying to go back on uptrend at the moment. Okay, so we expect more buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so guys, we expect more buying opportunity right from there. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Thank you.